of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw this 3D house using AutoCAD. Let's continue drawing this 3D house that we had done in our previous tutorial. And I'm going to begin by showing you how to draw windows in 3D using AutoCAD. Click on Layers, select Layer Properties, click on New Layer, and let's name our new layer 3D Window Frame. Double click on our layer, click on this part and select that color. Let's turn off some of the layers that we are not going to use in this step. Confirm that your layer is active. Type polyline. Select this. Click on these points and confirm that your polyline aligns with the axis of the wall. Click on offset, type 20 millimeters and click on the polyline. Click on extrude. Select our two lines. Drag your mouse and type 200 millimeters. Let's view our progress in realistic, and we are going to subtract a part of our window frame. Click on the outer part, enter. Click in the inner part and enter, and our window frame will be subtracted. Click on 2D wire frame and let's create a new layer. Click on layers, select layer properties, click on new layer and name it 3D sliding window. Double click on it, click on this part and select this color. click OK. Confirm that your layer is active. Type polyline. Click on points as shown on the screen. Choose the midpoints of that. Click on offset. Type 30 millimeters. Click on our line and offset it. Click on extrude. Click on the two lines. Enter. Drag your mouse and type 40 millimeters. Let's view our progress in realistic view. And you are going to subtract a part of the window we have created. Type subtract. Click on this part. Enter. Select this other part and enter. Let's move our sliding window by 60 millimeters. Let's view our change in 3D realistic view. Select line. Click on the points as shown on the screen. Let's extrude our line. Enter. And drag your mouse and extrude it to that height. Let's view it in realistic view. This is the line we have extruded. Type materials. And this material browser will pop up, and we are going to change our material for the line. Click on home. Click on Autodesk library and select glass, and you're going to choose this option. Drag your mouse and place it there. Let's view our drawing in 2D wireframe. Select all the window part and drag a copy to this point. That's the other part of the sliding window. And here is the change we have made. And now you're going to move this part of the sliding window, drag it by 40 millimeters, and let's view that change in realistic view. Select our sliding window, drag a copy, and place it here. Let's drag our window frame and place it here. Draw the other windows of our drawing, and once you are done, turn on all the layers of our drawing. Click on layers, select layer properties, click on new layer, name it 3D landscape, double click on the layer and select this color and click OK. Click on top view, choose 2D wireframe, select reference lines layer, click on line, click on this point to begin drawing landscape outline lines. Move that line and place it here. Move a copy and place it here. Click on offset and type 5000 millimeters. Enter. Click on the line and click on this other line. Now let's move our line by 5000 millimeters and move this other line by 5000 millimeters. Click on line, click on points as shown on the screen. Move a copy and place it here. And drag this line all the way to the other line. Move it and place it there. Click on layers and select 3D landscape. Type polyline and click on this point, the mid point, and drag click on the points as shown on the screen. Type polyline, select that, click on the points as shown on the screen. Click on layers, select layer properties, click on new layer and type in 3D pavement. Choose this color. Let's choose this color and click OK. Type polyline and click on points as shown on the screen. Type polyline and click on points as shown on the screen. Let's delete reference lines. And let's adjust our polylines. Click on realistic and select southwest isometric. Click on extrude and select that polyline. Enter. Drag your mouse and type 150 millimeters. Let's select 3D landscape layer. Click on extrude. Click on the lines. Enter. Drag your mouse and type 150 millimeters. Let's change materials of our drawing. Type materials, select that, and the materials browser will pop up, and you're going to begin changing materials of our window. Click on home, select Autodesk library, drop down and click on paint. Click on this paint, drag your mouse and place it on this part of the window. Click on the paint, drag your mouse and place it on this part of the window. Click on paint and place it on this part of the window. Now let's change materials for this other window. Click on the paint, drag your mouse and place it on that part of the window, and do the same for the other parts of the window. We are going to do the same for this sliding door. Click on the paint, drag your mouse and place it on this part of the door. Let's change materials. for the other parts of the windows. Click on paint, place it on that part of the window, and do the same for the rest of the window parts. And let's do the same for this other window. Click on paint, drag your mouse and place it on that part of the window. Now let's change materials of the fascia board, and we are going to choose this color. Click on it, drag your mouse and place it on that fascia board. We are going to use the same color for the columns. Click on that, drag your mouse and place it on the columns. Now let's change materials of our floor. Under Autodesk Library, select flooring, and you're going to choose you're going to choose this. Now let's change materials of the roof. Select roofing, and you're going to choose this material. Click on it, drag your mouse and place it on our roof. Now let's change material for our site work, and you're going to choose this grass. Click on it, drag your mouse and place it on that grass and the other grass too. Now let's change materials of our pavement. We are going to select this. Let's select this pavement and click and drag. Click and drag and place it on our pavement. Now let's change material for our walls. Select stone and then you're going to choose this type of stone. Click on it, drag your mouse and place it there. it, drag your mouse and place it on the parts of our walls. And that's how you change materials of a building you've drawn in AutoCAD.